Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to find DeFi wallet address in Binance. Let's start this video. Open your Binance application. After you have opened your application of Binance, then first step you need to do is to just enable your passkey. So to enable passkey, you have to click on the top left corner of the screen. Then click on your profile. Now click on security. Over here you have to set your passkey. Currently I have enabled my passkey, so I will not enable my passkey again. I will just go back, and after you are on your home screen, then you have to click on your wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on deposit, and in the search bar you have to select DeFi. Now choose the first option and click on go to Web3. So here is your DeFi wallet address. This is how you find DeFi wallet address in Binance. I hope you understand this video. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.